In this video, we are going to talk about how to start real estate investing from scratch. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. How to invest in real estate as a beginner. Don't worry, you don't have to purchase a whole apartment complex right soon. Here are 4 basic real estate investment techniques for novices. Owning rental property. Let's start in the old-fashioned way, buying a house and renting it out. There are several types of properties to choose from, including residential, commercial and industrial. Then you may hire it. You may also be the landlady for a day. If you want to produce passive income instead, you may engage a property management company to handle the day-to-day details. Saving time and tension will reduce your revenues. Buying rights. As the simplest type of real estate investment, rights appeal to both experienced and novice investors. For Real Estate Investment Trust, the abbreviation REIT stands. Flipping houses. Flipping homes is a novel approach to real estate ownership. For the most part, it's designed to be a short-term project, rather than a long-term one. Real estate crowdfunding. This is a fresh and unique way of investing in real estate. You may invest in particular real estate projects via real estate crowdfunding sites like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. Before introducing buyers and projects to members, the platforms assess them. Stay with this channel to get more future updates. Thanks for watching.